योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्.
Hello friends, Namaskar, Pranam. Friends, I am here to give feedback on the various sessions held under the first online short-term course on soft skill development. Friends, as far as the course is concerned, myself, Dr. Vittal Khandoji Zaifai, I am working as assistant professor in Department of English, late Rameshwar Podkar College, Sonpet, Dist Parbhani, Maharashtra since December 1999. Friends, in this short-term course, I have joined and my roll number is 123. As far as the feedback of this online short-term course is concerned regarding the soft skill development, really it's my privilege that I am the part and parcel of this course. Friends, really we were fully impressed with the conduct and with the contact of all important members of HRDC Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Especially, I am very thankful to my dear friend, respected Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir, who is working as a director of HRDC Gujarat University, Ahmedabad, and Vice Chancellor and whole staff of HRDC Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Friends, there are 26 lectures posted offline on Google Classroom, and many topics, many very important topics were included or covered under these 26 videos, offline videos. Apart from that, there are 10 live sessions. All live sessions and all offline videos which were posted on Google Classroom are really very enthusiastic, and all lessons have increased our skills. Friends, as the part and parcel of English fraternity and as a part and parcel of higher education in India, we need or we learn that how soft skills are very crucial and very useful for everybody. Here and there, throughout the world, this pandemic has taught us a lot. So, due to this calamity, all these opportunities came before us. We are really very happy to listen the person, the director like Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir again and again, where under his guidance I have done, this is my 4th course. So friends, Jagdish Joshi sir's conduct was very great, and he is a very handy person in using all these audio visual aids during this pandemic. Apart from that, I really impressed with the speeches of many renowned scholars from the fraternity of higher education. Especially when during inaugural session, I was impressed by the conduct of Dr. Pareen Somani, who has given, lady has given us a lot of very innovative ideas as far as soft skills are concerned. During her inaugural as well as her speech on day 1, she has given us very good ideas about soft skills A to Z. Apart from that, there is one more scholar who has given very good ideas to all of us, and that is Jayesh Pujara sir. Jayesh Pujara sir's topic was soft skill A to Z, and after that again we were very happy to listen the speech of Pareen Somani on soft skills. Her appearance and her conduct was really very impressive and impressed us a lot. After that, we meet one more scholar who has a great contribution to soft skills, and by his interaction, by his various very interesting colors and questions. Dr. Sanjay Raja, he has really made the session live, and all participants very enthusiastically, eagerly answered the questions asked by Dr. Sanjay Raja sir. On day 3rd, on 23rd December, when I have learned E-Vani from Mr. G-Vani. E-Vani from Mr. G-Vani, and that is Dr. Mahesh G-Vani, who was very interestingly came lively before us and presenting his PowerPoint presentation, and he was using 2-3 cameras for his presentation, and really in future I will learn lot from Dr. Mahesh G-Vani sir regarding the presentations. On that same day, we are also impressed by the conduct or speech of Dr. Charul Jain. She has also given a lot of beautiful ideas regarding the soft skill development. Friends, on 24th December, there was only one live session which was conducted by myself, Dr. Vittal Jaibai, and the speech by Dr. Shruti Shah, who is palm tree, who is a very renowned person as a doctor, as a physician, and she herself has given us a lot of examples from Bhagavad Gita and relationship between Guru Shishya, between Arjuna and Bhagwan Sri Krishna, and many more things about meditation, about yoga and pranayama, and really we were overwhelmed by the guidance of Shruti Shah. On 25th of the December, we were again blessed by the speeches of Dr. Mamata Brahmabhatta, who has given very good speech regarding the various ideas about soft skills. And one more speech again we were very interestingly enjoyed, that is Dr. Sanjay Raja sir's speech on 25th December. Friends, on today's speech on 26th December, again we blessed or we impressed by the pranayama, by breathe in and breathe out teaching by Dr. Priti Mayani ma'am. Priti Mayani ma'am is always very enthusiastically taking participation of all our respected colleagues. Friends, among all these live sessions, there are 26 offline videos which are on YouTube, and all those 26 videos also really very interesting, and they have taught us a lot for the soft skills. And friends, all these skills and all these scholars has given us lot of new innovative ideas for learning in future. Again, I am very thankful to Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir, to whole staff from Vice Chancellor to the Peon of HRDC, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Whole technical staff, and especially I am impressed with the very beautiful conduct of Rishi Pandya sir, who has continuously following us for conducting the session. So all Rishi Pandya, Dr. Priti Mayani, Dr. Jagdish Joshi, and whole technical as well as scholar staff of HRDC, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad is very interestingly followed us and has taken various assignments enthusiastically from us. Again, everybody, we are really, from bottom of my heart, we are really thankful to each and every person from HRDC, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir.